All right, today we're going to take a journey, a visual journey, deep inside one of the body's most complex and absolutely vital organs. Get ready, because we're about to build a complete structural atlas of the liver. So first up, let's get a sense of scale. The average adult liver weighs about 1.5 kilograms. That's around 3 pounds. That makes it, by a long shot, the largest solid organ in your body, a true heavyweight champion. But, its size is really just the start of the story. To really get what this organ does, think about this. What single organ in your body does the work of 500 separate chemical plants? Yup, the answer is the liver. And we are about to see exactly how it's built to pull off that incredible feat. Okay, so let's start at the beginning. Part 1, your body's powerhouse. We're going to locate and get to know our hardest working organ. So where is this thing actually hiding? Well, it's not just floating around in there. It's perfectly tucked away in the upper right quadrant of your abdomen, nestled safely behind the protection of your rib cage. Now, let's zoom out and look at the big picture, the liver's grand design. I find it helps to think of it like a huge, super efficient city, with its own districts, highways, and critical infrastructure. The main districts of the city are its 4 lobes. You've got the massive right lobe, the smaller left lobe, and then a couple of other smaller ones, the caudate and quadrate lobes. And the whole thing is held securely in place by a series of ligaments that anchor it right there in your abdomen. So how does the city get its supplies? This is where the liver's design gets really, really cool. Unlike pretty much any other organ, it has a dual blood supply. You have the hepatic artery, think of that as the fuel line, bringing fresh, oxygen-rich blood from the heart to keep all the cells powered up. But then you have the portal vein. This is the raw materials delivery. It brings nutrient-packed blood straight from your digestive system, loaded with everything you just ate, all ready to be processed. This large-scale setup is impressive, for sure, but the liver's true genius, the secret to its incredible processing power, well, it's hidden from the naked eye. To find that secret, we need to zoom in. I mean, way in. We're going to explore what I like to call the hexagonal engine, the functional building block of the entire organ. And this is it. It's called the hepatic lavule. This little hexagonal structure is the absolute core of everything the liver does. The entire organ is made up of millions and millions of these tiny, perfectly organized processing plants, all packed together like a honeycomb. It's beautiful. So, how do supplies get into each of these little factories? Well, at every corner of the hexagon, you find a structure called the portal triad, and it's basically a perfect miniature of the liver's main supply system. It's a bundle that has a branch of the portal vein for all the raw materials, a branch of the hepatic artery for oxygen, and a